Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dellybie again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing great. I'm happy, as you guys can see, because I got this elegant updo that I have on right now. It's popping. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos, fashion and lifestyle. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Sweden. I'm a mom of two beautiful girls, Pari and Jolie. We are all natural here in my channel, guys. If you're new here, natural hair isn't boring. For my oldies but goodies, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by to check your girl out. And yeah, guys, for today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this elegant updo right here. Yeah, because it's end of year and I know you guys have weddings and parties to attend, so I got you all hooked up. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this elegant updo, then stay tuned and let's get into the video proper. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos, okay? Love you. Bye. I have already parted my hair off camera, so this video will not be too long. I figured out already what I want to do. So I divided my hair first of all into two, the front and the back. The back I divided it into four sections. One, two, three, four, like that. I did twists just to secure the sections. And in front here, I divided the hair, this middle section here, and secured it away from this side. And this side, one section, this other side, one section. Now I already parted a line like this because I want to twist these corners. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Let me tuck this away. God, I'm so tired. You guys don't know what it takes to flat twist upwards, but I'm proud of myself. I did it. They are not perfect because I'm still learning how to twist my own hair going upwards. Yay! So I did it. This is the side and this is the other side. So I'm not doing too much at the back. I'll just tuck these sections that I've made like this. I'm just twisting like that, and I'm going to secure it. is how the back looks right now. I'm going to check in my bathroom and show you the final look later. So coming to the front. Okay, so I separated the front in the middle like this, and I've divided each of these into 3 sections. You see? So I'm just twisting. And adding it to this side. You see, I twist and add to this side. I'll twist this other side as well. And add to this one. And bring it to this last one here, add it there and hold it. So I didn't end up touching the back. I like the way it looks, so I'm just going to show you the finished look. You have the front looking like this. You have this side, this other side, and the back. I love the way the final look is, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You can do this and take it to wherever you want to, and you're good to go.